was trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
Johnston Canyon. We're just doing the hike right now, and it is so beautiful in the winter.
Every time I see a glimpse of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
Hey guys, we've made it to the upper falls. We're gonna head down to the cave now. The view up here is beautiful in the winter. The falls are frozen behind me. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so we made it from the upper falls, we walked down into the canyon. I've never been down here before. It looks amazing. It's actually really, really beautiful in the canyon. I'm gonna kind of like do a walkthrough, I guess. hike summary for Johnston Canyon. So I did this hike with Andy last Saturday. I meant to make this video into like a more vlog type video because it was our first day off together for a really long time. I worked all the weekends, mostly in January, and he works every other weekend, so we're not getting the same time off, which was really annoying. It was like our first mountain road trip this year and for a while actually. So I try to make this into like a more vlog style type video, but I think it turned into more of a hiking video after all. We did have plans to go to Banff and eat. It was insane the day that we went. It was a Saturday, so there was so much traffic. There was no place to park. So we just gave up and went back to Calgary and ate here. Yeah, we ended up just doing the hike. We hiked to the upper falls at Johnston Canyon. This is a very kid-friendly, pet-friendly hike. I've done this hike in the summer a couple times. I've gone to the ink pots twice, and I tried to do this in the winter one time a few years back, but I didn't have micro spikes. It was kind of like a last-minute decision. We were in the mountains. We were driving around trying to figure out what to do. We ended up in Johnston Canyon, and I was wearing running shoes with no grip. So we only made it to the lower falls that day, but this time around we made it to the upper falls. We both had our micro spikes on, which were definitely necessary, especially during the hilly sections, because there is some sections where you're going uphill, some sections where you're going downhill, especially if you plan to go down to like the cave area, which is closed all summer. So if you are planning to do that part, make sure you do it now in the winter because it is closed. It's always been closed in the summer for the most part from what I can remember. It is a pretty steep like downhill section, so you're gonna wanna make sure you have ice cleats for that section. And yeah, this was all over a really good trail. It's super popular. There was tons of people. We waited like 20 minutes for parking. We got there pretty late because we took our time. We went to Canmore, had breakfast at Rocky Mountain Bagel Co., which is my favorite place in the mountains to go eat. So we had breakfast there. We just kind of just took our time, you know, like it was a good day in the mountains and we hadn't spent that much time together in a long time. So we were just excited to go and just, you know, chill, take our time. So yeah, we ended up at the trailhead, I think around noon, around there, pretty late, but yeah, completely packed. Definitely go early. What else can I tell you? I mean, winter tires are kind of a good idea because the road to Johnston Canyon is kind of icy. Not kind of icy, it is icy. It was really icy. So make sure you have, you know, good grips, good winter tires. Make sure you have micro spikes with you. They're always a good idea. This is kid-friendly, pet-friendly, a pretty easygoing trail. So to the upper falls, it is 5.5K with a 229 meter elevation gain. So yeah, pretty easy, pretty simple, and a pretty good trail. I don't know how the ink pots are going to be this time of year, if they're even going to be visible or if they're going to be frozen, snow covered. You guys will have to let me know if you've done this trail in the winter, but yeah, highly recommend it. It's great in the winter time. I think I actually like it better in the winter time than in the summer. So yeah, all in all, great experience, highly recommend. And if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Sorry.